we're gonna look for these clicks. I think that's one right there. I'm guessing.
I've been holding home, we avoid that like a business. Most of them to sleep.
Yep, right here. Watch. Boom. Gone. Look, it's literally gone. Now listen.
Home, we avoid that like a business. Most of them to sleep.
Let's see if this is a clip. And you don't even notice it. Alright, no, that's not a clip. But I think that. Nope. I usually control Z if it ends up not looking like it's clipping.
Business. Most of them to sleep. Most of us stay sleepless. I'm on jury water and I'm diving in the deep. In the deep end. We spend and fuck it up. I swear this shit's so frequent. I've been holding home. We avoid that like a business. Most of
There's one clip right there. I already know. Watch.
that like a business. Most of them to
Yep. That was a clip. You can literally usually find them. They stand out. So it's like blink right there. Always listen though, because you never really know. Boom. Gone. Literally gone. I tell you what, this is the best D-click.
like a business. Most of them to
Hold on. Double check. I heard something.
like a business. Most of them to sleep. Most of us stay sleepless. I'm on jury water and I'm diving in the deep end. We spent what I'm on TV. Breathe deep, back to accordingly to see inside. Stubble our truck, the only thing for peace of mind. And winter season.
What's this? I'm hearing this. This has to be a clip. Yep.
Stubble our truck, the only thing for peace of mind. In winter season, I stay warm in a Montclair. And Noble talking about our night will never stop there. Take care, who you think the praise for? Time pieces touch when hands together, that's what I pray for. They swear they doing something, but they play the same chords. Which is stock for, which is stock for. Something, but they play the same chords. Which is stock for four, just treat the Lambo like a skateboard. It's getting radical, rover riding animal. First things first, for that back end I'm fanatical. I've been holding home, we avoid that like a business. Most of them to sleep.
There's a clip. We're almost done with cleaning these clips, and we go to mastering it, which we already got most of the mastering settings already kind of laid out. But we're going to do it setting or plugin by plugin just to make sure. So we don't just assume it's all going to work out.
Them to sleep. Most of us stay sleepless. I'm